crash, and it was a little bit of damage, but nothing unfixable, thankfully. This module decided it wanted to independently travel backwards from the scene of the accident, and is it that one? Yes, that bell house, that motor bell, decided that it wanted to travel forward from the scene of the accident. Some way. Anyway, I found everything after a little bit of searching and put it all back together. It all seemed to work and fire up, but I didn't fly it because of course the back's falling off and the GPS might fall out again, and there's damage there, and there's actually some damage here, which means that it was flex. There must have been flex to push down into this. Chin's good. Arms are good. I think it hit at the back. This has got turned around and is loose. I tightened it back up to test it, but I loosened it to show you what it was like. It was loose like that. So I think it hit at the back and snapped. Just delaminated. Right, one layer, like completely delaminated. And that can be pushed back together and acetoned up. Got that here. And I hand drilled some holes for some 1.5mm holes for 1.6mm screws to go in there to help that stay in, because that stayed fixed. It was just the GPS out of here came out. It was fun finding that. And so that will be more secure in there. I'll fix up the front. I think it's about time I get to the designing of this top plate again. Anyhow, let's get about fixing it and get back up in the air. Okay, I'll come back in a bit. You don't really need to watch that dry, do you? Alright, let's dry it long enough, or set long enough, or however you want to say it. Solid. Alright, goody. Let's screw this on. This case for the this case for the GPS is it's for the bigger 220. This one's a this is a 220. So the bigger one than that, the one that's got the magnometer on it, magnometer, and I just shrunk it down. So of course the walls aren't really big enough. And what are those? Yeah, and I'm seeing some delamination as I put the screws in. So I'll have to repair that delamination after I've put the screws in and taken them out. You might not be able to see, but the see that's not down right. That needs redoing. But the camera, you see how the camera house has been pushed over? It's closer to this side than this side at the top. Wasn't like that before it crashed. You can actually see a tiny little bit of bend just there, lifts. Anyway, I'll get on with doing that and get it all back together and go for a flight. Okay, so that's being acetone treated and it's come up nice. So we're just gonna put the lid back on it and go for a test flight. Okay, let's go fly this thing. Go. It seems like everything's in reasonable working order there. The sat number probably just kept getting lost because I'm in a valley and I'm also fairly down on the southern hemisphere here. Just wanted to come back to this picture. I think it's a great little shot, that, and I'm really happy I got it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Stay well out there and have a great day.